Pairing up with English. Mastering correlative conjunctions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial topic in English grammar, correlative conjunctions. We'll learn what they are, how they are used, and how you can spot them in sentences. Get ready to bolster your English skills. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that work together to coordinate words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. These include pairs like eitherer, neitherner, not only but also, both and whetherer. Each pair helps to balance the sentence, and they're often used to create more complex, nuanced expressions. When using correlative conjunctions, it's important to ensure parallelism in your sentences. That means the elements they connect should be similar in structure. For instance, in the sentence, I will either dance or sing at the party. The conjunction, eitherer, is connecting two verbs, dance and sing. Identifying correlative conjunctions in context is a crucial skill. Here's a tip. Look for sentence parts that seem to mirror each other in structure. These often use correlative conjunctions. For instance, in the sentence, she is not only a talented dancer but also an excellent singer. A talented dancer and an excellent singer mirror each other, and the words, not only but also, link them. Now, it's your turn. Try to identify the correlative conjunctions in these sentences. 1. I like both apples and oranges. 2. You can either stay here or come with us. Well done! You've learned about correlative conjunctions and how to identify them in context. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep looking for these conjunctions in your reading, and try to use them in your writing and speaking. You'll soon master this important part of English grammar. Keep up the good work, and happy language learning!